Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in broso with me yeah.
Hey, Pastor James or whoever you call yourself, let me tell you this once and for all. What you've been doing on this campus, no, you're home. Sorry, Anna. What's a man? I don't match of one and I will boom. Now, dance and you now. Now, let me tell you, you ain't your boys. Intino, you ain't your master. Intino, I did go our ya, Susuman in Dow. Seer, you ain't no school. What sorry, I tam amabrata then I'll hotel. Ah, you saw the initial hotel. By any idea. And you can't tell me, say, girl, no, free now with free school, my bear 4 days, 3 days. You know nothing about it.
Aroma, look into my eyes. What do you see?
I see crocodile tears.
Listen to me. You see that girl called Brita? She's my everything. Oh no, my J no kwampono don't like Brita more than I do. Say me baby a Brita wa and come in stressing me when she no. Do you hear me? I'm fed up with this. I am fed up. Say me keep Brita. I know where she is. Bro, listen to me, madams. Don't provoke me. I am freaking serious. I'm telling you this, man. Don't provoke me. Because I love Brita. No, say me What do you have to tell me?
Are you done?
Talk, I'm listening.
Aroma, you've seen more than that. The bar school more the Oye and Yebina way. Why are they changing? Huh? Since you know crocodile tears in the Mama JD say, Unim baby a better.
I am not crying to prove to you say me baby a better. I am crying because I am freaking broken. I am broken. I don't know where Brita is and I am broken. Man, don't joke with me. I'm telling you. Do not joke with me. So what? I can now go and tell that my J. Say me baby and my Brita wa and I won't be broken like this. So he should stop spreading the news. Say me I might keep it Brita and obvious yanya. I'm a kidnapper. I don't. Adams. I was with Precious and I'll you know. I love Precious and I'll buy. I had to leave her for you because I don't want violence. Mashiame do Brita. Thinking say me no will go far and this has happened. Adams, don't come here and provoke me.
I don't know. Brita by your daughter Ben.
She is mine.
Huh? When did Brita became yours? Do you know where Brita is coming from?
I don't know and I don't care where she is coming from. All I know is she is my girlfriend and I love her. I love her. I don't know where she is.
Well, I said this time, why serious? And I'll name baby over.
Sir Black. Iddi. I was there, my J came to me and he was telling me something. He was narrating something to me. Actually, I couldn't make the head or tail of it because I asked him to speak English. So I don't know. Let him narrate it. Maybe you will understand him better.
My J. What is the whole issue about?
Sir, for 5 days, 6 days, I've even founded my sister.
You've not founded your sister?
Yes.
What do you mean by you've not founded your sister?
I've not circulated my sister.
Hey! From what's abroad from the country now, who can't what's abroad for Saturday?
No, Iddi. Let's allow him to speak English because he's a student here.
Then you will not understand him. He came and I asked him to speak English. He was saying some things that I didn't understand. Is the reason for me calling you to come and...
My J, so you can't speak English?
I can speak.
You can speak?
Yes, sir.
You are a disgrace to this school.
Oh, sir, I'm not a disgrace.
You're not a disgrace, sir.
Oh.
Hey, into pa school fees no with you and yankwasi scan with you.
Oh, sir, at least I came to this school to learn marriage.
To learn
and skin.
And skin. Skills! Say skills. Say skills. Fool. What knowledge have you acquired? Tell me.
Like mosquito coil.
You are a foolish boy. Iddi, you see, I've always been telling you about this stupid boy. Okay, let me hear.
What is it? You tell us.
If I see this, me say. I should baby, I'm afraid fear be so be so
6 days.
Yes.
Sir Black, are you aware of that?
No, sir, I'm not aware.
But ideally, you are supposed to be checking on them, isn't it?
Say Oma, Nancy Oma.
My name,
Say my uncle Oma.
Sir Black.
My J.
Say
we want just holding back to how more.
Sir Black.
Oma.
What is happening? Tell me what is happening between us. Remember.
Sir, nothing bad is happening. Last 2 weeks I was there, and then I asked of Brita, and then they said she's gone. 2 weeks. I mean 2 days. Sorry, I mean. Hey,
say tell the truth.
The book number boss man.
Black, forget about the book number boss and other stuff.
Iddi.
What are you supposed to do? Is it not part of your responsibility to be checking up on them?
Last 2 days, I went there, asked my daily routines. I asked about Brita, and then I was told she's gone home.
Who told you that?
Abigail.
Abigail told you that?
Yes, please.
She went home without Ezra, and you agreed to that?
I even decided to speak with you about that. Because she went home without an Ezra.
How many days now?
2 days, sir.
2 days, and you couldn't tell me anything.
How can it be possible? How can it be possible?
Iddi, I was on the verge of telling you, and then something came
what
over.
Stopped you?
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Magj, maybe she has gone to some of her friends or maybe your family members. Give her some time. Let us wait for some time.
My friends are minimum. My friend will be a so man. And my friend Mr. Brains. Mr. Brains is so no.
Hey,
that's those you know. What about those you don't know? Okay, Magj, calm down. I know it's not easy for you not to know where your sister is. Please.
There is some progress in my heart.
Hey,
some progress in my heart, sir.
Magj.
Iddi, let me handle him.
Why should you handle him? Why do you want to handle him? After all, it's your fault. Why do you want to handle him? What are you telling me?
Sir, I have admitted.
Keep quiet.
Have you founded my sister? 5 days says this.
Magj, take it easy. You know what to do, okay?
Sir, I can't sleep.
I understand you. I understand.
Sir, it's painful when you can't find your sister.
Yes.
It's very painful and progressing.
Magj, I understand what you are going through.
Yes, sir.
You give her some time. I'll see Sam, and we shall sit and discuss on how to fish her out.
It's very progressive in my heart.
Understand.
I'm very sad and progressing.
Sir Blackie, I'm going to the office.
Okay, sir.
See me in about 30 minutes time.
But
make sure you tell Sam, Maye and other teachers to meet me in the office.
I will, sir.
You have to sit on this matter.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Magj,
sir.
I'll get back to you.
Okay, sir.
Please take care of yourself.
Okay.
You understand? Okay.
Sir, make sure you get back to me.
Are you warning your teacher? Oh, say school man on yes, be any team. We did na be catch and say me my hostel home.
Nipa na misuro ne na ekono. You betima yi medino na ekono. So we are home. But you say pen na ekuta na draw anim. What eh? When you na red ni me draw bia kan me punch you.
My J. Umuadi
o.
Ubu teacher.
My phone watching. I have the temptation in my mind.
What boy you have what?
Temptation in my mind. What do you say?
Papa.
Am I born? What do you mistake?
Over there.
I'm a fool. Have you?
Me ask na better than me a boxer.
Sure, we a boxer.
Better than me a boxer.
Hey, we shaky.
What be done?
Let's say corner. We have teacher in today. Let's say corner. Come and let's go.
Science. Pass science that.
Boss na me nya exams down.
Pass science that.
Me nya exams down. So pass science.
School man say na wa be bona e basa.
Say me nya exams brother.
Yes boy. Siblings. Who take care of siblings?
Madam. Unim betu to ana.
Because I'm no betu to but who to be
able to. Babu slow. Ebo
Seer.
Ka me bu name.
Bu name.
Bu name. Ka unya yire no waware. Ate, they can destroy your life.
You can destroy my life.
Me, I'm a Satan.
I'll have you apprehended. The more police are chill.
You can have me apprehended.
You are threatening me. More
You
police
can have me apprehended. How can you have me apprehended?
My G.
We doing nothing and you have me apprehended.
Apprehended.
What? Remember what you said to me? Say they are pretended.
When I'm screaming, I own fanboy na. A man na opo papa. Me who? Na wada wasn't bebe me no. You see the bad side of me.
Oh, young grana very much.
Maybe be a marry.
Why are good man?
Who could have born a cry be the maybe be an idea.
Oh, we be an idea. And they wakasa. I told you now, baby Harry. Only you in the black pair to a difference in you open and bear fight. Come and draw, met my draw. Now they all draw your deal. Not some father pa my draw security and one black.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah.
Somebody,
Yeah, headmaster.
you can see how I'm sweating, huh?
Yeah, I see.
Then understand it's not that cool. There's an issue. A serious issue. We really have to work on it before it gets to the worst situation. Actually, I asked Black to call you 3 days ago. He did not see you. Yeah. But we are not to discuss that now. Let's talk about the most important issue at stake. This guy, what's the boy's name? This foolish boy. Mark J came to me 3 days ago, complaining bitterly that he has not seen his sister for the past 2 weeks on this campus. So I was thinking maybe, as usual, she has gone to maybe some of her friends and should be returning. But 3 days now, right from the time you complained to us, there's nothing like seeing her anywhere around. So I thought it's cool to discuss with you and see if we can come out with something. Let's brainstorm and see how best we can solve this problem.
Amadi, we've all tried in the quest for Brita, but to no avail.
That's why I'm not going to
please.
You be as a man buying here.
Blackie,
Now
Blackie, stop
You're
it.
saying what?
Blackie, listen to me. There's no need for you to brood over this trivial issue. Let's talk about this. Come on, what is this?
Sometimes what you do, it disgusts me.
I'm sorry.
Hey, it's okay. Blackie, let me tell you something. Every day I keep telling you, when issue comes, you should know how to handle it. You are growing, for God's sake. There's nothing for you to talk. Come on, please. Go ahead.
Iddi, like I was saying, we've all tried our best in the quest for Brita, but to no avail. She has a kinsman, we can inform them, being her parents.
No. Please. The reputation, the image of the school will be at stake. Are you thinking about that?
But it's better we act fast.
How fast do you want us to act? At times, you see, I keep telling you, you should be thinking outside the box. Issues like this, you can't simply say, okay, because they have parents, they have other relatives, we should just run fast and tell them, and by the time you realize the media has taken it and the school will go down just
it's
like
not
that.
Only media. When you go to the girl family, you disgrace the school. Why? Because the one who turn was some walk on into the beer will be quite in trouble because school one way issue by a school no in team paying food him. Kakrabia track, Kakrabia beauty, Kakrabia what, Kakrabia all. And you're fine.
It is so bananka ayera. Obetina se no choose about bla mo na busu afoma ni.
Brita, one ya kid, one ya koda. Ebi kwa ye kasa ye discuss about Brita no. Ube kunkura no then she had some the boyfriend, the friends. Why you can't tell?
Semayi, you talk like we have a hand in her missing.
Why are you saying this?
Let's talk.
Sometimes.
No, why are you doing this?
Let's talk.
Say, sometimes patience is virtue, but acting in a harsh way, or let me put it this way, in haste sometimes also helps. Brita, she has a parents, it's better we tell them than they find out themselves.
So what are they going to talk about you as a senior housemaster?
I don't know. What
If you go to the parents and tell her you can't find her daughter, you know, her mother, and tell her you can't find her daughter.
Sir,
for how long have you been checking on them?
Sir, it is better late than never.
The assumption say asema wachia enkomana kwaba. Wo ma me mo kra no mo fiem. O ma na busuafo me complain bibia. Listen. Let me land before you talk. When you talking, I'm not talking.
Okay.
When I'm talking, don't ever talking.
I won't talk.
Let me land.
Okay.
Wono ni nua bema. Ene dia asema beto headmaster me. Eyisi enya botre onua bema no kra hu nyansa nkofie. Ankoba amane. Esije se wo teacher ni wo die mrike ekofie. Akoba amane.
Sema ye na sema ye kankura no. Fault no do na kasa firi wo. Ye kan firi wo. Wo ni senior house master. Kan be me ka to se nkola no kan bia no make sure say anopa ewia enumre check up on them. What about us na what you mean akola free school abra wo nim sa.
Headmaster, what you just about some problem so. Headmaster, school in here no. Onu sa na yi laundry na wo ye no akosi ne ma ye status no. Laundry na wo bie na yi ho no. Ade na hia no.
What every necro wo me de mani besi wo so. Ma me kan kire ya pon. Na say wo free school na wa nye permission no school.
Yes, school in here.
Edu ayi month no end there. O validation yen sign na waketua ba. Sa wo so wo ye wa. Ya sa papa ye ka ma sa play.
Wo bie laundry. E ho na ya na hia no.
Say me you come egum.
Wo mi laundry. Wo laundry na din say.
Osun to pragia. Me dey din na laundry. We go see enti dia. Osun to pragia.
What we be laundry.
Man say ni be na mtoche.
E bubro kosua.
Ade be ye inside that.
Can we go mati?
What it? Any kwasi fiti plek. Before girl na busuafo. You go school na ni mu afe. Ye ma school no mfa na ntoma pa mfura.
Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months I drum meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwara.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Why?
I'm heading to the hostel.
Are you watching your time?
I don't have to watch.
You don't have watch.
No, sir.
But which watch you doing to take a time to come to school? I'm asking you questions. Tell me, shall watch ya? What the short time at the best school? Catch me.
When I wake up, I just
wake up. Then if you wake up, just like that. Okay. Anyway, how is Breta? Where Breta Day?
So I even wanted to come to you and tell you.
I said where Breta Day? That's what I'm asking question.
Sir, I don't know where Breta is. I don't know where Breta is, and everybody in the school think I know where she is. They think I've kept her somewhere and I don't want to tell them. I even wanted to come to you and tell you that you have to help me, sir.
Only you in the school?
No.
So why we don't see a Breta, everybody expect you to give you suspect?
Because they know she...
Where is Breta? Tell me! Where is she?
I don't know where she is.
Hey, stop rubbish! Can't you see? Not even a can to a shame? Huh? Here now the Breta ko. Wouldn't baby again wo. Wouldn't baby a Breta. Wouldn't I consider? Let me tell you something. Funny we bia ubakwa yi Breta. Oh, my school no problem. Aroma. Where are you from? What's your hometown?
Brekum.
Are you from Brekum? What place?
Brekum, I stay at Zongo.
Zongo, we have Brekum, Zongo, we have Kato, we have Yakubu place, we have so many plenty places. Where are you from?
I grew up at Zongo. That's where I grew up.
You grew up on Zongo?
Yes, sir.
Then you can't speak Hausa. Can't you say you from Zongo? Then you can't speak just Hausa. This is the time. Every Zongo boy, wake up, we promote Hausa. Let me tell you something.
So what does that have to do with me going to school? Which... Sir, I don't know what Brita is.
You know, Aroma, why you pretended like are you a pastor? Are you a businessman? Are you a preacher? We don't know. We don't know nothing.
So the last time I checked, she was at the hostel. So if she's not here, I think they have to go to the hostel and ask the girls where maybe the last time they saw her and those kind of things.
But you know the place. Where? Ow, and baby, what there? Ow, eke nekeke yinipi.
I'm saying why me? Why?
I say ow, and baby,
Meaning baby,
and baby, can I you get any pay? I don't know who goes to who take the headmaster, sir? Headmaster and the tribomo. Say you didn't know. When you don't go mind be and the three say, or cast or two who say I had they were on. Or two
why would you do that, sir? Why would you do that? I don't know why she is here. Why is she?
Bring the job now! Immediately.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Sir Black, go ahead. Ask them.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
We know for the past 2 weeks we've not been seeing Brita around, so we are on this note.
Fold your hands.
Okay, I'll put my hands.
No, I said that there's hands down.
Close it.
Close one.
Hey! Sir Black.
Like I was saying, so we are on this note asking all of you if any one of you knows the whereabouts of Brita.
Aroma.
My G. Weren't you the one who came?
No. Hey. Let's get this clear. Mike J came to report that he's not seeing his sister on campus anymore. So you can't blame him for his sister not being on campus. The last time, what happened?
He came to our hostel to sack her sister.
He came to your hostel to sack her sister.
Yes, please.
May God forgive you. I thought you tell us he came to your hostel to sack his sister, but not her sister. Why are you in this?
Come
This guy.
She went out. She just came.
He went out.
She went out. Oh, she went out.
Oh, sir, no.
Run away.
You said he went out.
She went out.
He went out.
Say Ojinem. Say
You
Ojinem.
see, why you were calling and you were in a hurry?
Hey.
She decided to
Why? Tell us. Why are you in this?
Viviana.
Sir, please, I can't find my school
Students
skates.
will wait.
Can't find it.
Yes, please.
Where are you putting your
So I went to dry it yesterday in the evening.
Is it dry or dry? I'm the same.
Hey, now they say school one person here, mommy, and I'm supposed to use school girl. I want for we dey able to you know. Oh, Bachelor say, "To at the end free oh."
Say no, yes.
I know so I say.
Anyway, let's get to the substantial issue. Where's Aroma?
The kidnapper.
Hey,
Come.
Aroma,
Come.
left.
Come.
Kidnapper.
Oh God! Aroma! Hey! Aroma! Where's Brita?
Sir, I swear.
Aroma.
I swear. I don't know why Brita is.
You are faking it.
Kidnapper.
I don't know why you are accusing me. I don't know where she is.
Wait,
I can't meet
Another
you
post.
can't pretend though.
You don't know where she is.
No, sir. Say he knows.
Are you sure? Okay. Step aside.
No, sir.
Who else?
He knows.
Hey, that.
Yes,
Sir, this
sir.
boy.
Headmaster. Can you Brady himself.
Okay, what's wrong with you? Never complaining.
No, hey.
Never complaining.
Who complain to anybody on further?
He said
Who complain to one yada?
You said I will bind the foul.
MK.
We need so called video. Say video. Say I
who else?
Precious.
Precious.
You seem
My
more.
good friend, isn't it? Could you please help us out? Where is she?
I don't know. So I don't know. The last time I saw her,
Who kasa?
Baba, let us speak. Let us talk.
Baby, the young kasa no kasa ni inside obi ko me no na ewu.
Where's the giant teacher? Man, I can't be an eton.
Tell us.
The last time I saw her, she was with my J.
She was with my J. When was that?
It hasn't been that long. That was the last time.
It hasn't been that long, doesn't give us time. So tell us, when was that?
That was the last time I saw her.
The last time means no time.
Headmaster,
when was
last
that?
time who know my J or my J ni bla no make explain.
One more, you need me about.
Obi ku eku ni maame.
Why are you lying?
It was that same evening that she was.
Aroma now with Tina online.
Aroma is do you know?
My J, you know. Headmaster, my J.
MK. Now what do you have?
Baby,
Hey, somebody. Hey.
You keep on accusing Aroma.
No, I'm not accusing Aroma.
Do you have any bond?
Everybody mentioned Aroma.
Who mentioned? You mentioned Aroma's name. And then they all follow.
Okay, I'm coming.
Aroma.
My J. Aroma.
My J.
Aroma.
You, out.
Yeah, my J.
And then you Aroma yourself.
Aroma.
So the white one said majority carries the vote.
Yes.
So it's Aroma.
My J.
It's okay. My J Aroma. Let's see. Aroma, come.
What?
Don't start crying, hey.
Pretender. Aroma, come. Come and let me.
White at the back. You are crying.
I know you to be a good boy. If you know where.
Headmaster, we nya akro first no onye engan so yibu. Oh, akra no no anso wa busa no wa fa ne bra. Asem bi no na bi mra. Enya afi na you know him to be a good boy. We don't
Aroma. Please help us to find out.
Sir.
Give her the If you know where she is, tell us.
Sir, one Thursday morning, I went to the mall to get flowers.
Country music and all that too.
I wanted to take her out for dinner, sir. Yes. On my way to the hostel, I met Precious. And I asked her, Precious, where is Britta? Because I was going to present the flower to her. And she told me that she left the hostel and she hasn't seen her. That was the last time I heard about Britta, sir.
Pretend. How do you say Britta?
You went to the mall
To get flowers. Sir, just give him to the police.
to get flowers. You were going to take her out for a dinner. So you went there in the morning to take her out for a dinner.
I was going to take her. I was on my way to the hostel.
The thing is, you told her. Did you listen to yourself when you were speaking? You said you went to the mall to get.
Read this.
You put that. Forget about the Ezra.
Everybody keep that.
You went to the mall, right? To get some flowers. Obviously, it's hers, isn't it? So, coming to present the flowers, you think you have to take her out for a dinner that morning.
Dinner in the morning.
Dinner in the morning. That's
dinner in the morning.
No, we
Who said try to go?
Aroma.
Can't you shame your headmaster talking to you?
Aroma, listen to me. This story cannot add up. So please, I'll allow you to go brood over this. Think about it, actually.
Shut up.
Hey, one I bet you will be. So you
okay.
Go back. Mama nem kon no aduan nton ni su nyina ya mesu.
My.
So what me ya home?
Semai.
Me si wasu no teacher. Me. Ebe from what?
Wo mabu wa ha no.
Say Black Iddi. Let's go. See. Okay. MQ.
You made this first.
No. You. Somebody will handle them.
You going far.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Am I talking to somebody?
Yes.
You're speaking to her.
Also, one summer walking in a brow for. And summer we just headmaster, one was there, Mr. Headmaster. Obey me at one of who heard this. Over social media. Near my own.
So on the 200.
Yeah. I saw the video. Say.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Sir Chins. Sir, now the way the school has become so dangerous. Say, I'm even scared.
Why are you even scared?
He said, now look at the situations. Say, now you hear that Seer has collapsed, and then Amabrater's issue, and then this, and then that. Say, now the gossip at my side, and then the secrets and the rumors and all those things. When I even remember, I can't sleep, sir.
So, are you thinking about the gossip people?
Sir, no, I'm not thinking about the gossip people. But sir, I'm thinking that, sir, it is very dangerous. In fact, it is too dangerous taking into consideration Asantua also. Sir, that is why I told you I want Asantua to go home and give birth. Sir, look at the school. Look at the situations going about. Imagine that Asantua is supposed to live in these conditions and give birth. It will trouble her and the baby. Sir, that's why I was pushing you. Let Asantua go home. But sir, you say you make her go home. She should give birth in the school.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
Sir, I'm telling you, I'm voicing out my pain.
I don't know how. I want to say.
Sir, me how understand that then?
I can't. One, over our fan band.
Someone wanted them on over to Akufio being any comforting them in Yamana to me that share a abofan atasa.
Not mean Tassa, I was there, chairman, to say, Auntie, all coffee, on one over and abofan.
And I miss on Okufio being any comforting them in your mamma while abofan. If you ever could feel being your before for a bed one atasa.
In Tassa, now so atasa. Or it is school. I'll not say, oh, magic and my catch out there. But take care of us and one in pregnancy. It's our one.
Obe create problems.
Kekeda fanfula kekeda.
Sir,
again there, our area man. Again there, enimnyansan. Ebetuma beat ma akeka wonsam bi na afa hoazi. Try fanfula, let me tell you something. Akitimpo na akata baby na Kenya feza. Aketew enkata baby akenya fezi. Da. Enyim there wadron or something.
So sound mean.
Baby enja bele sam na area na no bo wani wala no do ama wa wani ba no betutu. Wo be show them azum. What it? The man bele sam be na kan.
When you don't come belesem.
But you come belesem.
And I'm sorry I'm come belesem.
But enyim there en sama American belesem na Americana.
Onye dem. I mean, may take into consideration situation. They may make
nurse na. Aba catch am there. Wo there akwa na wo. Na man catch them akwa abofo ne ban. Onwo wo school mu ha. Awo ha ne say. Awo ha pa ne say. Nyim there afro fanfula. Ente nyim there betima ba fanfula ma.
Oh, so nye fanfula. Abadin me ba fanfula. Say chins. Abadin me ba fanfula.
Nyim there ayo ho bibini bronin. Enyim there adwen eso kekeda fanfula amise kekeda
mekeda zaw
ekeza na aka YouTube na aka bi TV now ese ho na ehwe na na ebela na afamada eno tina amise nekeda Kakeda
untina keke na odos
kakeda no tuti so keke no odos enyim keke ebe amfantim dabe bifanyima abo ahimfiu
dema am so fedi na egu afo
enyefa di egu afo na so mfanyima abo ahimfiu no ba nsen
all the matters all the misro
hey abigo yo wona matisi esu ni minua no wo issue school mu a minua no wai
Your church.
Sure, me church. And I can't me buy me no Bible sister now.
Hey, my J. So, hey, every day you are doing hey, no. Don't bring it here.
Hey, for so too. Only me because I pija, sir.
My J,
how
dare you two?
Hey! Me no let me say no. Hey, listen, me for church sometimes no maybe one ma. Now say mama is steady.
My J, I've been so cool for you. I've been so cool for you. Oh, you mesh when you so. Family me na shade. Family me.
Oso be re.
She when you make
Bomeni so.
That's a Miss Rowana.
Stop me.
She.
Temptation.
Don't come closer. Don't come. Go back.
Mami control. Who na any me yan issue? Ana baby am me yan one also akofane ba. Mami control no.
Stop saying that bullshit, okay?
You think I come to
Stop
laugh?
saying that. Oba hostel na be pamunyano. Was I the one who sacked your sister?
So if you want to sack my sister, today the sack.
Look at them.
Today the sack.
Poor English.
Hey.
Only money tobe.
Listen, I'm not coming here to joke here.
Bring your hand down.
My sister is with you.
My sister is with
If you didn't take my sister, come here. I swear, Abigail.
My sister is not with me.
Abigail.
My sister is not with me. My day. Mimi a street girl.
You are commanding.
School more din. And my din na me show. Me throw. What she am me times 5. So when the man me catch the when.
Ah, Shebi Ote. Shebi, if you made a mistake for my sake,
you can't do foko. You can't do anything.
Ate.
Me throw my day.
Who's running?
Hey, school rules now. I say I'm on the park. Calm me down.
So if it's not the school rules as compulsory for something, what can you do to me? What can you do to me?
I can do a whole lot.
Foolish man like you.
Foolish man like you. You are a man because I said my 6 good years.
Is that a concern?
You are paying school fees.
Is that a concern?
Hustling. I was like, why did you move that honum?
The sister.
Oh yeah, you may pay.
I'm not here.
School fees 6 good years.
I'm not here to talk about this. How many years I'm this school.
Che.
I'm looking for my sister.
You are looking for your sister.
And my sister is with you.
Your sister is with me.
Because you have some interwantawa and some combination with my sister.
Hey, Jai, someone who no. Just stop. My J, calm down, okay? Calm down. Who rather pie, okay?
Sister, Mammy who here, oh, the Pia Minion one of Fanny Bramotas. Yes, I would document you and your boo when you should be a will be woman. So, woman is so talk.
My J,
let me hear. Let me hear.
A crowd, Foco.
Come in 2 minutes. Come in, may you saw throat.
Wait, we'll met you.
What to me?
Me, Mark and that one met you. We have
oh, I'm part
of. I was
I'm part of. Hey, police, dear, me no Cassana, the Bem Diana, so I say, movement. Sister, stab you, eh? Now, Jimmy for do one cacra. What's here? A poor.
Right now, the school has become so dangerous. I'm even confused. So, how did Britta get missing just like that?
I don't know.
Somebody that we see on the daily basis at the dormitory or going to class. All of a sudden, she's gone.
You know, she's old enough. She knows what's good and what's bad. So probably only baby I'll call like.
No. In this type of situation, we don't have what's good and what's bad. What happens if somebody has kidnapped her? That is why I've been trying to tell you also that the school is dangerous. Imagine if right now you decide to give birth in the school. You give birth in the school and then somebody comes for the child and runs with the child. What will you do?
Me?
Yes, that's why I'm pushing you. Now go to the house and go and then conceive there.
One red one.
Oh, Asantwa, why are you saying this? Why are you trying to say that I've taken in a substance? I'm being responsible. Trying to be a responsible father figure for the child. And I'm saying go to the house and then give birth.
It's a whole person be coffee and when you're crying or la no.
Oh, Asantwa, what lie? You know that apart from you, I have not done anything with anybody in this school. If not you, then who? Asantwa, I'm trying to be responsible. The responsible father figure that this child needs. The school is not safe. Look what happened to a matured adult like Britta. Then imagine what could happen to a child who has no sense.
In fact, Britta and compare me bad ocean me, not as I make a chore. Britta no say me was a bear my demo. Say me were Jenny through school, I was a bear my for him. Says all the what should that nothing what planning and I said, would the assistant just all the baby who knew me.
Santua, this is not about scaring anyone.
Oh, any Britta to me, I did and my balance to me, and I said, me, who could feel. No, if free, no, you acquire the open war.
It's never about that.
Me say, we are maybe a nanty school and nanty high moon some canny and where you guys stamp the Geneva visit say me. I feel I'm Bejania Kofi.
Asantua,
Allah, you'll be to be from about.
Asantua, Listen to me. Take my advice. Me, I want the best for both the child and you.
Join our plan now.
Yeah, I've said all what I can say. Yeah, I'm leaving. Please take it into consideration again.
I'm not taking it anywhere.
Asantua, take it into consideration.
I'm not taking it anywhere. Are they? Because me nyakwa me nko fie ne nyakwa na ye de ope. Me some me this somewhere. Maybe obefe bia me do achi.
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me penkwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with your meya. Me pesa
Where you off to? Stop with that crocodile tears. You and I know you are not crying. And there's nothing wrong with you.
If you don't stop, I will grab you. I will break your neck. I will take the body. I will put it under this bridge. I will run.
Aroma, you and I know you better than anybody on this campus. Where's Britta? Where is Britta?
You are crazy. You are very crazy. Hey, see, let me tell you. As you can see, I'm in red. That means I'm in pain. See, don't joke with me. I'm not ready for this.
I'm also not ready for this.
Why do you have to ask me about Britta?
I have all the right to ask you.
To ask me?
Aroma, I've been in that same position before. Although, let's be honest with ourselves here. Let's just pretend like
Hey, I will slap you when
you will slap me.
What is wrong with you?
I'm being easy on you right now. Where is Britta? I share quality. I'm passing the truck. Meaning, so on the Britta I share hotel. Because you and I used to do the same thing.
Which of the hotels? Which of the hotels?
Your favorite one, of course.
Why don't you go there?
Let's go together.
If you know why I've kept her, why don't you go there and find out if she's there?
Let me guess. So you left the hostel to go and see Britta?
You see, they say it's true. Osono, I have fought on the ground and you and Tetia, you are punching me. If I was in this, if I was not in this mood, can you even stand in front of me and talk this gibberish to me?
Who do you think you are?
Who do I think I am?
I never trusted you from day one when you say you are a pastor. I know you. Aroma, I know you better than anybody, just like I said. Oh, they said, oh, them day. Oh, they said, I'm going to into the minimum. So the breath I will tell one.
Seer, I beg. Seer, I don't want to touch you.
And I also don't want to exchange words with you.
With me? With me? Now, who is Britta to you?
I beg, just go out and bring Britta.
Follow me and bring her. See, as I said, I am not in a good mood.
I'm also not in a good mood. I can't
find a love.
I'm wearing black. I'm also not in a good mood.
Britta, where have you been? Where are you, Britta?
Stop pretending.
Go.
You know you're... Hold up.
You, why?
Listen, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. If you want to pretend, right, you can do it with the other girls, not me. Aroma, I know you.
Why do you think I'm pretending? Why do you think? Why would I pretend? Huh? If I know where she is, why would I be in this? Why am I so broken? Why am I sad?
You don't look, I don't see any broken part of you. You look so okay. You look fine. You look very fine. You just want an excuse to go and spend time with Britta at the hotel. I know it.
Okay, thank you. Can I go?
Can you go?
Can I go?
You don't even have any regrets.
I've kept her at the hotel. I'm going to see her.
You are proud, keeping somebody's sister.
Yes. Can I go?
You call yourself a pastor?
Yes.
Aroma.
Are you okay now? Are you okay?
Do I look okay to you? Or is it because I'm laughing?
When you're done, you go.
When you're done.
Go. I will leave. I will also leave.
When you're done, 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 when you're Let me tell you something. I've got my eyes on you. Okay?
Okay.
24/7.
Okay.
So if you know you're hiding her, no. What is if you know? I know you're hiding her, so just bring her out.
Please. Seer. Seer. Oh, Jesus.
Boy, Jesus Christ, my Becca. I don't know what to put my bone for you. I'm going to charge. Let's find out those are coming. You mean you to show when you saw my bone for you?
Not your fault.
I don't sure.
Rita is the cause of this. Rita, and I free my brabum, and I might be more treating me this way. What else can I say?